Well, now let's check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. How's it looking out there today, John?
Well, it's looking kind of gray. We've had some fog and we've had some clouds throughout the morning, and it really reduced the visibilities quite a bit. Right now, it's not so bad over Eagles Bluff, where we are seeing the gray skies and folks still out playing golf. 67 degrees currently. Northeast winds at 11 miles per hour. The relative humidity at 93%, so we're near saturation on the moisture content in the atmosphere. We've also had above normal rainfall for the first week of November. Tyler's had nearly 3 inches of rain so far, and that's over 2 inches above the normal for that period of time. Longview, a total of 1.25 inches with a 1/2 inch above normal, and Lufkin nearly 1 inch above normal and almost at 2 inches of rainfall. So certainly a better start to November than what we saw over the past 3 months when we were very dry. It's also allowed a lot of the burn bans to go away. We still have Angelina, St. Augustine, and Sabine counties in the lakes area of deep East Texas with burn bans, and Morris County in the north. But those are the only 4 counties that still have burn bans in effect. Satellite and radar, you can see the clouds as they went away for a little bit of a time, but then as we picked up the visible satellite today, we are seeing the tops of those clouds pretty well stocking in East Texas. We're seeing some showers back out in the Panhandle, even some snow falling in the western portions of the Panhandle, where we're getting some colder air coming in. That air pooled up over the central Rockies. As we go through Futurecast here, Friday morning, some showers will be developing again, probably increasing around sunrise, although we could see a few isolated showers, say around 3 o'clock in the morning. And that snow will continue back in the parts of the Panhandle, extreme northern parts there, and some storms up into Oklahoma, where we'll see the heavier rain. Now, we will get some rain moving in Friday. Might have some problems with weather at the football games, as we'll have showers and thunderstorms likely in the area. Saturday morning, we'll get a cold front coming in. That's going to create more showers and occasional thunderstorms as we get into the first part of the weekend. Going into Sunday, we expect to see some clouds lingering. The front sort of meandering back to the north. Most of the rain, though, well down to the east of that front and down near the coast. Here's temperatures right now in East Texas, and we're seeing mostly 60s along I-20 and northward, 70s down in parts of deep East Texas. Forecast highs for today say we'll be into the middle and upper 70s at most locations. Lufkin might hit 80 along with Palestine. Forecast lows Friday morning. We're expecting to see those in the mid and lower 60s, especially to the north, where we see those cooler temperatures. And then forecast highs for Friday afternoon going to be back up into the 70s. So not a bad day all in all. And Hurricane Rafael continues to spin as a Category 2 hurricane in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. 100-mile-per-hour winds right now. As it goes through the next several days, it will be moving westward and expected to weaken as it crosses the Gulf of Mexico, and then actually turns southward down toward the Bay of Campeche in the early part of next week as a tropical storm. Meanwhile, we are looking for today to be mostly cloudy for the rest of the day. 76 our high, east-northeast winds 10 to 15. Overnight, a low 64. Isolated showers developing again, and we expect to see an increase in scattered storms coming up on Friday with a high of 75. Next 7 days, we'll have a chance for showers through the weekend. Veterans Day looks good as we'll have lots of sunshine. Temperatures will remain pretty comfortable. Most of our highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. In deep East Texas, you'll have some rain through the first part of the weekend with a nice start to next week. KETK.com is our website, and you can go there and find that forecast anytime.
Thank you, John.